I want you all to think about things that you do in your everyday life to keep yourself actively healthy. You might say working out, eating right, maybe even meditating. And albeit those are great ways to stay healthy, what if I told you that listening to and playing music is one of the most beneficial things you can do for your body and mind, for the current and for the long term? Hi, my name is Jonathan Shin, and I've been highly invested in music for the majority of my life. I started playing the piano at 5, drums and percussion at the age of 11, and I started my career in music production at the age of 17. I've won multiple district music theory competitions, piano competitions, and even a cash prize for a solo concerto marimba competition. When it comes to making music, I have 2 full albums out, and I'm a verified artist on Spotify and Apple Music. And although this is overkill, almost everyone has experience with music in some way. Even if you don't play an instrument or compose masterpieces, even listening to music falls into this category. Music has affected you in more ways than you might even realize. I have seen and experienced firsthand many benefits of music, and after doing a little personal research, I hadn't even scratched the surface of how deep the benefits of music really go. Outside of pure speculation, the acts of learning music, playing, and listening to music have been scientifically proven to benefit one's life in numerous ways, providing improvement to the body and to the brain. I'll be covering some of the many benefits music has to offer, including cognitive benefits, bodily benefits, and emotional benefits. I'm first going to start off with the cognitive benefits of music. One of the biggest things is neuroplasticity, as it works out many parts of your brain. In an article published by Johns Hopkins Medicine entitled "Keeping Your Brain Young with Music," it explains a study conducted on jazz musicians as they were improvising music under an fMRI. It was proven that they accessed the structural, mathematical, and architectural areas of the brain. In that same Johns Hopkins article, a study was also conducted about vibrations and their interaction with the auditory nerve and brainstem. This was proven to boost creativity and memory retention in the brain. It also improves cognitive function with aging. A 2019 research study conducted by Betsy Mills, PhD, a senior program manager at the Alzheimer's Drug Discovery Foundation, showed that playing a musical instrument throughout one's full life can lead to higher neuroprotection and a lower risk for dementia. In that same article, Mills also recalls a clinical trial where adults listened to 12 minutes of music for 12 weeks. It was proven in the conclusion that there was a decrease in a cellular biomarker for aging in their blood. I want to move on to the bodily benefits of music now. Music can be used to reduce stress. A 2013 journal entry in the American Psychological Association database entitled "Music as Medicine," psychologist Daniel Levitin, PhD, found in a meta-analysis of 400 studies that listening to music reduces stress and also reduces the stress hormone cortisol. It was also explained how music has been used to relieve stress in patients before surgery, sometimes even better than prescription drugs. In another 2013 article in the National Library of Medicine database, an entry titled "The Effect of Music on the Human Stress Response" described a study in which 3 methods were conducted prior to stress. The music led to a psychological stress reduction, and the autonomic nervous system recovered faster. This method was also used to treat cancer patients with anxiety with musical therapy. Music can also lead to immune system health. The same article entitled "Music as Medicine," the research showed that listening to music increases the body's production of the antibody immunoglobulin A and a natural killer cells, which are actually used to strengthen the immune system and attack viruses. In an article published under the Irish Times, cites a 2016 study presented at the British Science Festival by Dr. Daisy Fancourt that found out a correlation between music and bodily immune health. She focused on cytokines, which are protein cell messengers for the immune system. After subject played music for a certain amount of time, it was shown that cytokine levels actually increased, which proved a positive immune response to listening and playing music. I wanted to move on to the emotional benefits of music. Music has been proven to improve mental health. In a 2019 article covering the psychological benefits of music published on verywellmind.com and medically reviewed by certified psychiatrist Daniel Brock, MD, it covers studies done that correlates listening to music with improved motivation and mood, triggering pleasure substances in the brain, such as melatonin and norepinephrine. The same Very Well Mind article also states that musical therapy has proven to be a safe and effective treatment for a variety of mental disorders, including depression. Along with this, music also has a lot of social benefits and social improvement. Jill Suddy, a writer with a doctorate in psychology, published an article in 2015 on berkeley.edu covering how music is used to strengthen our social bonds. Music increases contact, coordination, and cooperation with others, and has been proven to give us an oxytocin boost. It also allows us to understand other cultures better. That same berkeley.edu article also talks about how music strengthens our theory of mind, which is our mental capacity to understand how other people think and how their behaviors are. This is linked with increased empathy. Now, I've mentioned all of this information to give you a little taste of how deep the health benefits of music really go. To reiterate, the acts of learning, playing, and listening to music have been scientifically proven to benefit one's life in numerous ways, providing improvement to the body and to the brain. There can be a lot to think about when considering what to do to keep yourself healthy. Today I explained how something as simple as listening to and playing music can have such vast physical and mental benefits. However, to many, it may have never even crossed their mind. It's important to stay open and question everything because many times there's more than meets the eye. Thank you.